guys, Richard from WELSHYTECH. This is just me doing about a minute or so video to kind of explain what my YouTube channel is all about. One, I've got a passion for tech as well as gaming, have since I was a kid. Also, the content I'm trying to bring you is something that I'm into. I do like tech. I have very big passion for giving you content on my experience and knowledge over the last 11-12 years of doing computers myself. Gaming also, I just want to give you some gaming content during this troubling time in the world with COVID. That's why my videos doesn't have commentary. It's because I want you guys to actually enjoy the video from my perspective, see what I'm doing, and just keeping an eye on what I'm doing. So, look, I hope you enjoyed this. This is just me doing a quick video to tell you what my YouTube channel is all about. It's about me bringing content to you about what I'm passionate, which is tech as well as gaming. Yeah, I do mix the both, but that's just me. It's the way I am. I can't do just tech and just gaming. I gotta do the both. So that's my introduction into me and why I'm so passionate, and why I'm so passionate about tech as well as gaming. It's because I've done it since I've played games and stuff and been into computers since I was a kid. So yeah, I hope you enjoyed the video. Don't forget to subscribe to the channel, and this is Richard from WELSHYTECH. Goodbye.